How to become a security guard. What you need to do is take the training, write the exam, and apply for a security license. So it's different in each province, but we offer accredited training in Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and BC. There are some basic steps in order to obtain a security guard license. You must obtain a criminal record check, and the best thing to do is to check your provincial licensing website and know the requirements in your province. You go through our website and you register, take the course, you'll go through the units, you'll write the pre-test, post-test, and then at the end of the course, you'll write a final test online, and then you'll be prompted to book your exam. Most of the exams are done virtually, and Alberta is the exception where they do both classroom and virtual-based exams. Once you receive your certificate of completion, you'll be able to apply for a security license in your province. So if you think security is for you and you want to become a security guard, make sure to click on the course that you need to take to become a security guard, or subscribe to our channel to receive our latest updates.